Well, I just got this 74 Dart at the old auction, you know. Oh! And it is a Chrysler Nissan diesel. Another guy, Dakota, used to own this, and I got it at auction. It is deathly slow, so the first thing I'm going to do is increase the rack travel, because this thing is so slow off the line. Don't really need more cruising power, I just need more off the line. But this is really cool. This was a dealer conversion back in the day, I guess. And it worked pretty well. It's got some little odds and ends need cleaned up, but yeah, I guess it was a diesel. It was probably a slant. Oh, it was a 318. And they threw a Nissan diesel in it. So, and they have a Chrysler valve cover there, so it was somewhat official. Yeah, pretty sweet. Anyway, I sold the Perkins, and I guess I needed another diesel Chrysler product, so here we are. It's a really nice, I mean, it's a crew cab, but I mean, really nice car, solid, no rot. So, yeah. I'll drive this around now that the fuel prices are high.